Hi guys, well, today is another day on my project. I just want to show you something. There is a backsplash what was wrongly made by the other contractor, and I want to show you what's going on here. Countertops are protected by the RAM board. Here's my tools, gloves, always use the gloves for the safety. My little helpers, and I started taking down this wrongly made backsplash. What is interesting, the other contractor who was installed this backsplash, I don't know how he did that, but it looks like he made the tiny spots on the glue on every single tire. It looks like the Swiss cheese, and this is during the progress. I protected the hardwood floors. This is the spot when I walking between garage and the kitchen cabinets. I don't want to make the damage on the hardwood floor. I'm very careful walking in the steady tempo, not rushing, not making the additional unnecessary damage. And this is how it looks when I'm removing this. Tomorrow it's gonna be removed, and I'm gonna start fixing the walls. I'm gonna put on face of this wall a few coats of the skin coat, because there is an issue with the wrongly installed countertops. You're not gonna see this right now, but the countertops doesn't touch the wall. There is a gap over ¼ inch. Countertop supposed to touch the wall, so it's gonna be fixed and removed next week. This backsplash gonna be done, and it's gonna look properly. I'm gonna be happy to show you this. This is what I'm going to do today to remove the backsplash. Thank you.